Welcome 125 viewers. This is going to be a super exciting video. Maybe not. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with this one. This is clearly, we've got 3 pairs of congruent corresponding sides. So this is what? Side, side, side. Let's do it. All right, next one. I'll just pick this one. So we have 2 angles and a side, but the side is not included. It's on the outside of the 2 angles. So we have, what's this called?
Angle, angle, side.
Angle, angle, side. Beautiful. Someone correct me if I make a mistake, put it in the wrong place. All right, now we have 2 sides, but the angle is in between the 2 sides. So what's this going to be? SAS. All right, again 2 sides, but now the angle is not in between the 2 sides. It's on the outside of them. So this is angle, side, side. Is that a way to prove triangles congruent? Is that on your summary?
No.
It is not. It is not a way to prove triangles congruent. That is not enough information to guarantee these 2 triangles are congruent. Even though they might look congruent, we can't prove that they're congruent. We've got 2 angles and an included side now. So what's this one?
Angle, side, angle.
Angle, side, angle. How are we doing?
Good.
I mean, we have snacks, so. Wait, is that in the right place? Angle, side, angle. Yeah. All right, this one. This is kind of hard to see, but we do have this angle right here. And it's on the outside of the 2 sides. So we have angle, side, side, or side, side, angle. So what's that?
Cannot be proven.
Right, because it's not one of our ways to prove triangles congruent. And feel free to look at your summary. All right, here we've got 2 angles and a side on the outside of those 2 angles, not in between. So it's this one. Angle, angle, side. Very good. And you could also call this side, angle, angle, but it's already written for you here. Angle, angle, side. Where are we? Here we go. Okay. This one, I need to draw something. So these 2 triangles look congruent, but I'm about to draw you 2 triangles that are not congruent, that have 3 sets of corresponding congruent sides. Can we see them? Yeah, here we go. So take a look here. So these 2 triangles have got 3 sets of corresponding congruent angles, but they're definitely not congruent. They're not the same, they're the same shape, but they're not the same size, which means they're similar, which is unit 6 and we're in unit 4. But this is not a way to prove triangles congruent, angle, angle, angle. So we're just gonna say, for now, cannot be proven congruent. We can prove them similar, but we can't prove them congruent. All right, here we've got an angle in between 2 sides. What's that? Side, angle, side. You guys are getting this. This is the hardest one, and this is the new one, okay? So anytime, I'm just gonna sit right here. I feel like I'm an elementary school teacher. I'm about to read you a book. When's the last time a teacher read you a book?
Elementary school, you guys did probably will.
Yeah,
So,
like I can't imagine like being like, okay, class, I'm gonna read you a book now. Like, I've never done that. Okay, so, sorry. Whenever you get two right triangles, you're gonna look at them and say, okay, it's possible that they could be congruent by HL. If they are not right triangles, they cannot be congruent by HL, because H means hypotenuse, and the hypotenuse is only in right triangles. So they could be congruent by HL. They could be congruent by, SAS, or not congruent. But this one, let's take a look. We've got the hypotenuse, because it's across from the right angle, and we've also got a leg. So these two triangles are congruent by HL, and you might think, oh, it's angle side side. It cannot be proven congruent. But it's a right triangle, so they're congruent by HL. I think that's the hardest one. And we are done. Es completo. Thanks for coming out.